Hello guys, welcome back. In the last video we have discussed about the creating a slug from the category title, right? And also nowadays I am going to create a videos on filament tips and tricks, so I have just created a new playlist for that part. Okay, so I will be adding all the filament tips and tricks, like I have added one video on 5 essential Laravel filament tips and tricks and this last video. So I will be adding this video on this playlist too, so I'll put the link of the playlist in the description below. You can check out from there. But we will be using the same our system for doing the things to, okay. So now in this video we are going to discuss about how we can add a custom action button on our dashboard page. So let's say what I want is, so in my dashboard page I directly want the actions to like create purchase. I need a button here. So for that what you need to do is, since this dashboard page, if you go in admin panel provider, so this dashboard page is from the filament vendor file, so we can't change this file directly, right? So what we'll do is we'll just add a new page firstly and extend this page so that everything the page has, our new page will have it by default. So let's go. Let me just create a filament page. Now let's say I will say it's okay. I will just name it as dashboard. I need it admin. No. Okay, let me just remove this. Okay, now if I go to filament pages dashboard, I just get a new page, right? So if I will go here, there will be no changes. So first of all, in my admin panel provider, let me just zoom in here. This is, now let me just remove this and let me just register my custom dashboard page, which is an app filament page, right? Sorry. So let me refresh this. Now if you see, now I don't have anything, right? So now if I go here, first of all, because it is a custom page, so what I will do is I will just try to extend the default filament pages. If you still check here, okay, let me just go back. Now still we don't have anything because our page has its own view page. If you see here, it has its own view page. But so if I go to filament dot page, sorry, dashboard, this page, and now if I write here, hello, this is the dashboard, if I refresh this, here I can get that. So one option is either to add all the custom actions here, or we can just remove this page, so it will extend the from the view page of filament pages, this view page, so we don't need to do anything. If I refresh here, everything is same. So hope you have understand up to here. So now it's very easy. Let me just remove this also. It will okay, everything is almost same. Now for action, what we can do is we have a public function get action, right? And we need to return an array here, ACTION. okay, it should return array, isn't it? Okay, no, let me just rewrite it. I don't know which method I just, okay, array, right? So now let's say what I will do is, let's create the this action there. So I need to add the purchase. So for that what I can do is, so we have already discussed how we can do the things like this, right? Action create purchase, let's make it button, outline. You can use everything regarding the action here. If I refresh here, you can see now I just get the create purchase, and then URL, right? And inside URL, what I need to do is, where should I go? So I have already discussed, sorry, URL, how we need to do these things. So I need to go to purchase resource, and I can use the get URL method, and then name. I need the create params, right? Meaning I need to go to the create page. If I will refresh this, that's it, we are now here, right? We are now here. So this is what I want to teach you in this lesson. So if you want the code, you can also check out this page. I will just put the link in the description below. Besides this, I also want to show you one extra tips here. So if I go to manage products, let's say if you want to show the tab views, like I will have, for example, if you remember, we have two things here, normal products and safety stocks, right? Safety stocks means those products which are out of safety stocks. So now I want to create the tab view. So how I can do is, okay, products, if I go to list products, here I can modify my get tabs method, right? It should be an array return. Okay, so for example, first thing I will have is all, and I will need tab make. Let me just duplicate this, and let's say out of safety stock. Let's just check it. Now here if we check, now I got two things, all products, out of safety stocks. Now by default this will take the query of the our resource page, means in our product resource. Okay, we don't have, I think we didn't override any methods for that, so the main query will be used. So if I need to modify more than that, for example here what I need to do is I need to check the products quantity which are less or equals to safety stocks, right? So I can use modify query using method, and it will get the query params builder. So now what I can do is, let me just return $query where column, so where column quantity is less or equals to our safety stock, right? Okay, where quantity is less than equals to safety stock. So I have also discussed these things when we are creating the widgets on our dashboard page, right? So now if I go here, okay, I just misspelled quantity. Let me just refresh this. Yeah, here we have all the products. Now here we can have out of safety stock products, which are, I don't know exact term, so I have just labeled it that out of safety stock, but this is how we can do this part. And besides that, okay, there is another tips for you in this video. So if I go to purchase, let me just check if we have anything or any relation anywhere. I don't know, I don't think there is anything. Okay, category, no. Products, no. Products unit, no. Customers, okay. So for example here, so we haven't worked for this part, but still what I want to show you is, sometimes especially in case of relation manager, we have this type of forms, right, which always opens on the pop-up. So if you have a lengthy form, for example for our product, this is the form, right? So it's quite lengthy. So in case of that, what we can do is, in our products resource, it's our purchase relation manager, product relation manager, right? So here what we can use is we can use the slide over method. Now if I refresh this, now if I will do this, oh my bad, not here. Inside our create action, here we can use slide over, right? So it will force that form to open in the slide panel. Okay, sliding panel. So now I think if we will have this, you can do same thing for edit, slide over, refresh. So when the form is lengthy, we can show the content like this. So thank you guys, this much for this video. Hope you will like this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.